Hello. So one of the reasons that I'm recently finding out that people are a little bit hesitant to getting their Botox injections is because they are scared and don't know what to expect and have a needle phobia. So some things that we do here at Dr. Renée Moran Medical Aesthetics is we have this handy dandy ice roller. So first, we just have you rub this all over wherever we're injecting, and it makes it nice and cold and numb. We do some nice deep breathing exercises. We give you a little squeeze ball, and also have this little nifty device, which it's a little vibrating device, and it just basically is a great distractor from pain. What else do we do? Lollipops, anything to distract you. We've got some nice relaxing music on. And me being a board certified anesthesiologist, I have everything ready. So if for some reason you're not feeling well, you get a little dizzy, we have smelling salts and all of that good stuff. So really, it's not bad at all. I promise you, the size of the needle we use is the same size we use on infants. It's the size of a hair filament. So it's not bad at all. And usually with all of these little tricks that we have up our sleeve, everybody does quite well. So if you are scared of needles, not a problem. We've got you covered.